Hey everyone, this is Snatches James Anderson from the Marion County Park District, and this picture you're looking at right now is a special plant, probably my favorite plant. It is the skunk cabbage. So again, those little weird looking like things, that is the leaves, and where it gets its name from, the leaves do look like a cabbage that you would eat, but the other part of its name, the skunk, comes from the odor that it produces. A little bit later on, I'll show you a picture of what the flower looks like and how it attracts some of its pollinators. Now, what's really interesting about this plant is, yes, you're seeing a lot of snow and around the area, and what's really cool that it actually has the ability to melt snow and ice around them through cellular respiration. They can basically generate their own body heat, and it can stay about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll just say that the temperature's 30 degrees, but yet it's able to, again, generate its own heat. Many plants really can't do that, but this guy can. So that's why it is Ohio's first wildflower that blooms. Right now it's late January. It's going to be early February, but yeah, their flowers are really, really peculiar. It doesn't look very attractive, does it? It's very weird shape. It's got a lot of weird maroons, browns, green colors. Now, as I mentioned earlier, how it's going to attract its pollinators by producing that skunky, odory smell. They think a lot of beetles and flies and some wasp species do come to it. Now, when the actual flower that blooms out, which is right in the middle, it's usually the females first, and then usually a day or two later, the male part comes out and then releases its pollen. So yeah, it can basically self-pollinate itself. But if you're walking around any swampy areas, this is a really good spot to find them. They like a lot of moisture. Unfortunately, none of my parks in Marion County have them, but where I live over in Morrow County, Ohio, we usually have a lot of them in the parks located out there.